In a vast digital landscape, blogging has emerged as a popular avenue to make money online. A well-crafted blog fueled by valuable content and a targeted audience can open doors to various monetization opportunities. By sharing your expertise, insights, or experiences, you can attract readers, build a loyal following, and ultimately generate income. From affiliate marketing and advertising to sponsored posts and digital products, blogging offers a diverse range of monetization methods. With dedication and strategic planning, blogging can become a fulfilling and profitable venture, allowing you to earn money online while sharing your passions and expertise with the world. Making money online through blogging requires strategic planning, consistent effort, and effective monetization strategies. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a profitable niche. Choosing a profitable niche is a critical step in making money online through blogging. A profitable niche is one that has a target audience with specific needs or interests and has the potential for monetization. Start by identifying your passions, expertise, or areas of interest. Research different niches to understand their demand, competition, and monetization opportunities. Look for niches with a substantial audience and a proven track record of successful bloggers or businesses. Consider niches that align with emerging trends or offer solutions to common problems. Remember, passion and knowledge are essential for sustained success in blogging. Choose a niche that excites you, aligns with your expertise, and has the potential to generate income through various monetization strategies. Set up a blog. Choose a reliable blogging platform. Select a platform like WordPress, Blogger, or Wix that suits your needs. Consider factors such as customization options, user-friendliness, and scalability. Register a domain name. Choose a domain name that reflects your blog's theme or brand. Opt for a memorable and easy-to-spell domain name to enhance your online presence. Customize your blog's design. Select a visually appealing theme that aligns with your blog's niche and brand identity. Customize the layout, colors, and typography to create a professional and engaging user experience. Install essential plugins. Enhance the functionality of your blog by installing plugins for SEO optimization, security, social media integration, and analytics. These plugins will help you track your blog's performance and improve its visibility. Optimize for SEO. Research and implement relevant keywords in your blog's content, titles, and meta descriptions. This will help improve your blog's visibility in search engine results and attract organic traffic. Create valuable content. Creating valuable content is the cornerstone of making money online through blogging. To engage and retain readers, focus on producing high-quality, informative, and relevant content that resonates with your target audience. Here's how to create valuable content. Understand your audience. Research your target audience's interests, pain points, and preferences. Tailor your content to address their needs and provide solutions to their problems. Offer unique perspectives. Share your expertise, experiences, and insights to provide fresh perspectives and unique value. Differentiate yourself from competitors by offering original and engaging content. Provide actionable information. Offer practical tips, step-by-step guides, or actionable advice that readers can implement in their lives. Use engaging formats. Experiment with different content formats such as blog posts, videos, infographics, or podcasts to cater to various learning preferences and engage a wider audience. Incorporate storytelling. Tell compelling stories that captivate your readers and evoke emotions. Connect with your audience on a personal level, fostering a sense of authenticity and relatability. Build an audience. Building an audience is a crucial step in making money online through blogging. Here are key strategies to attract and grow your audience. Know your target audience. Understand the demographics, interests, and needs of your target audience. Tailor your content to provide value and meet their specific expectations. SEO optimization. Optimize your blog posts for search engines to improve your visibility and attract organic traffic. Research and include relevant keywords, optimize meta tags, and ensure your content is user-friendly. Social media promotion. Leverage social media platforms to promote your blog. Share your content, engage with your audience, and build a community around your niche. Guest posting and collaborations. Contribute guest posts to established blogs in your niche. This helps you gain exposure to their audience and build your credibility as an expert. Monetize your blog. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your affiliate links. Advertising. Display ads on your blog through ad networks like Google AdSense or negotiate direct ad placements with relevant brands. Earn revenue based on impressions or clicks. Digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, templates, or exclusive content that provides additional value to your audience. Freelancing or consulting. Leverage your expertise gained from blogging to offer freelancing services or consulting in your niche. In conclusion, monetizing your blog offers tremendous potential to make money online. By focusing on valuable content, building an engaged audience, and implementing diverse monetization strategies like affiliate marketing, advertising, and digital products, you can turn your passion for blogging into a profitable online venture. Get started today and unlock the possibilities of generating income through your blog.